Well, here we are, nice snowy day. Thank you for joining me here at Sir Rick Vids. It's New Year's Day, 4:00 p.m. and we are having a snowstorm here in mid-Michigan, USA. The roads are getting very slippery and I have to pay attention to my driving pretty good. And I'm driving slow, safe and slow. It's actually beautiful when it snows like this. Everything is just nice and white. It looks good. You don't see much, so many animals out when it's doing this. But right after it quits, they'll come out and forage for food in this area. I'm going to be going to my property that's up here about 2 kilometers. And I will pull in. I got to look for my ice and snow scraper brush to clean my windows after it snows. And I think I have it in my storage shed. I've lived here my whole life, and every winter we have snow and ice, and you never know what's next. Even rain sometimes, freezing rain, sleet, heavy snow, light snow. It just depends on the temperature. Today it's probably just right around freezing. This is about the 4th or 5th time it snowed this winter season. It's almost all farmland around here. Corn, soybeans, and sugar beets are the main crops grown in this area. Of course, they're all harvested now that it's winter. Nothing will grow, and it's freezing cold. Alright, I'm almost to my property. It's right here up on the right where you can see the little grove of trees. And I'll be pulling in here to see if I can find my snow brush, ice scraper. And if I'm lucky, I won't get stuck while I'm here. It's quite possible. We'll see. I'll just floor it and tear it up if I have to. Oh, so far no problem. I don't live here. This is just a property I own. This old house is condemned. It's not even possible to live in. It's just in really bad condition. A tree fell on it, broke the roof. The foundation's bad. It's, who knows the age of it? Maybe 120 years old, maybe older than that, I'm not sure. It's a really old farmhouse. It's junk. It's no good at all. Alright, so let's see if I can get the keys I need. Need to put on a pair of gloves. It's pretty cold out. You can kind of see the snow a little bit coming through off the brown of that old house. And trying to set my camera down for a minute. Alright, gonna step out, go open my shed door and see if I can find my scraper brush. And I'll take you with me. Hope everybody's having a happy new year. Nice to see y'all. Alright, I think that's the key. Of course I don't have it turned the right direction. And I might not even have the right key. And I don't. Oh, that one there. Oh, my lock is full of ice. There we go. It's frozen. Alright, gotta set the camera down for a minute. My goodness. Alright, finally got that darn thing off there. That wasn't easy. Alright. Oh my gosh, I got so much stuff packed in here. Tools, tools, tools. And I found my brush, I think, if I can reach it. Alright, I got it. Probably gonna need that tomorrow. Really don't think I'll be going anywhere tonight. Oh boy. Now I can't get my lock to lock. Alright, gee. I'm gonna have to set my camera back down. Alright, now I'm gonna go get in my truck and see if I can get the heck out of here. An old Jeep does me a good job. It's been reliable and I like it pretty good. Let's put that there. Alright, get back in. Oh, much warmer, much warmer. Whew. All right, that was my little journey. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope the people that have never seen snow enjoy this video. The people that have seen it probably won't enjoy it. It's nothing new. We have this every winter. All right, Sir Rick Vids signing out. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you would, please. Bye-bye.